Hi guys! How to create this circle reveal photo effect in Photoshop. It's a simple technique that can give your image a stylish modern look. So, let's get started. First, select your main image layer and press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate copy. Next, go to Layer New Adjustment Layer Color Lookup. From the Color Lookup presets, select Moonlight. This will give the image a vibrant color effect. Now select your duplicated image layer and move it to the top of the layer stack. Next, select the elliptical marquee tool and create a circular selection around the area you want to highlight. With the selection active, click the Add Layer Mask icon. This will hide everything outside the circular area. Now double-click the layer to open Layer Style, select Stroke, and enable it. You can adjust the stroke size and color according to your design. Next, select the layer mask and open the Properties panel. Adjust the feather to around 0.9 pixels to create a softer edge, and set the density to around 82%. You can fine-tune these settings depending on the look you want. And that's it. Here's the before, and here's the final result. That's how you can create this stylish circle reveal photo effect in Photoshop using a simple selection, layer mask, and color lookup.